Just went and got these 2 calves yesterday. This is a little Jersey Angus cross bull calf. And we got him to fill our freezer.
And pumpkin.
Yes. And over here, this little heifer, Joshy decided her name is Pumpkin. And she's a painted Jersey. She's probably A2.
Yeah, but where did you get born from?
From the farm that we bought her from. So we like to keep extra calves around because we like to feed excess milk to them. And then what we'll do when they're weaned, the heifers anyway, then we'll sell them. We'll halter train them, get them really friendly, and then we sell them to people that want a family milk cow.
Well, we're gonna keep that one for a milk cow, right?
Yeah, we're gonna keep Arizona.
Until it's a big one, and then we can milk her?
Yep, we'll milk her whenever she has a baby. And Cole, he's gonna be steaks.
And then after holding the baby, we will get rid of her, right?
Oh no, we keep them for a while, Joshy. We do eventually sell the ones that have had calves, because we can't keep everything. But we're gonna keep Arizona for quite a while.
Our farm has to be small.
Yeah, we have a small farm. We can't keep everything. But you decided to name this little cutie Pumpkin before you even got to see her. Looks like that fits her. Her name fits her pretty good. For 34 years, the Franklin County Farm Bureau has held an on-site farm event to help educate the public. This year, Reich-Dale in Chambersburg opened up their farm to host the event. Reich-Dale is a multi-generational small family farm. The Reichert's breeding program has earned them national recognition. Their herd includes Holsteins, Jersey, Brown Swiss, and Ayrshire. The Reicherts milk around 95 cows twice a day. This double 5 milking parlor was built in 1971. It was cutting edge for Franklin County at the time. It was renovated and expanded in 1986 and allows them to milk 10 cows at a time. This hoop barn was built for the calves in 2020. Hi, we're out in the pig barn tonight. We came out to weigh the piglets that are for sale. It's that time. Mama got moved in with the young boar, and her 4 babies are back here. They weigh right around 30 pounds. They're 6 weeks old now. 1 gilt, 3 barrows. The gilt's one of the white ones.
My favorite. Where's my favorite?
And then we have this big litter here.
My friend.
I don't know.
Oh, my friend is here.
I don't know how old these would be now.
Younger than them.
Thank you.
Nice cookie. This is my friend.
Boop.
We can go back there now.
And then this sow finally did have hers. She has a whopping 4 surviving, so
Yay.
yay us. Anyway, at least she has some. She had a lot last time, this sow did. She had a big litter like this one. But anyway, these are the pens that my husband finished. And I don't think I showed you these. This one's one without, you know, the gate on it. But we had to put this pig board on this one because the boar would reach across when we were putting water in for this sow and try to help, which wasn't helpful. But besides our small numbers in these 2 litters, they're doing fine. So we didn't really get hit with the hurricane very much. It's just been really, really wet. But I hope all of you out there are doing well. I know some areas really got hit terribly. And I've been thinking about you all and praying for you. I hope everybody's doing well out there that subscribes to us. It's just been wet here. Okay, we're done for tonight. We just came out in order to weigh those little piglets. And we'll see you next time. And lights off for now.